Embrace Health Innovation focuses on our self-esteem research and development that we've done over the last decade, and it transpires it into innovative technology. So it's been, we've had so much data compilation through the years that we've decided in 2019 to turn it into a focus that deals with technologies.
Examining the effects of social media on self-esteem has shone a light on a serious problem facing society.
Hate has unfortunately been a very negative experience in our world, and some of our data suggests that it has profound links to self-harm, unfortunately to suicide, which is a huge factor for young people and people for all ages now with COVID. There's great steps that we can all take universally, I think, and collectively, if we kind of post as positive as possible.
To help users keep social media posts more positive, they've created Embrace Time. It has an algorithm that helps to build accountability in social media.
It really brings forth the accountability that can be acquired through focusing on positive self-esteem. When one focuses on positive self-esteem through time, they develop a higher level of self, and they develop a higher accountability and a moral, ethical self. So there isn't a need to produce all that hate on social media. So our algorithms are tiered. So the first tier we have is, of course, a milder tier, which is kind of perhaps the easiest way to introduce Embrace Time. The medium tier and the tertiary tier actually cut off language or reduces the hate online. It reduces negativity so that we can kind of still voice what we want to voice on our platforms. However, it keeps us within our accountability domains.
Social media is not going away, but Embrace Health Innovations is striving to make it a more positive space for users.
Technology can really do some great things for us, I think, and moving forward, I think it's just the way it's going to be for all of us. The virtual space is going to adapt and leverage into higher levels of accountability, and systems are going to change, and again, we look for input from the child and youth sector as to what their experiences are indicating, and a lot of them are very profoundly taken by their online identity, and they go along with, of course, other norms in our society like trolling and ghosting, which have a profound effect on all people, I think, and we are trying to work on ways in our innovation to reduce that and to really shed a light on the fact that the people who project this hate are the ones that actually have the lowest self-esteem in society. And I think it affects everyone on every level, from the child who's on social media to the politician that's on social media. I think we really have to raise the bar now, and we have to say accountability is where we need to be. And we have to change the future, because it can't get any worse than it is right now.
For more information, go to embracehealthinnovations.ca. Reporting for Halton News, I'm Nikki Wesley.